Welcome to Los Pinones Ranch in Carbondale, Colorado. 123 lush acres with panoramic views of Mount Sopris and the Elk Mountain Range. The entrance is magnificent. It's unlike anything else in the Roaring Fork Valley. It's open air, huge trees, mature gardens, and as you're about to see, this legacy property just keeps getting better. Here we are in the courtyard. You feel like you've entered a resort spa. With the lawns, the fountain, you feel at peace. Let me give you the layout. 2-bedroom main house, all on one level, easy living. 2-bedroom guest house, all on one level. In the back, we have the pool house with the office above and beautiful flagstone patios, pool, jacuzzi, and 2 pergolas. The architect designed the compound with thick adobe walls to take advantage of the indoor-outdoor Colorado lifestyle. The kitchen is a true chef's kitchen with high-end appliances, Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Bosch. It has a central butcher block island and a great layout. This home was designed by pioneering architect Eleanor Brickham. She was way ahead of her time with 11-foot ceilings, providing big views, volume, and beautiful light. The pool and the hot tub area are absolutely stunningly beautiful. First of all, they are centered on majestic Mount Sopris, which is one of the most beautiful peaks in Colorado. Here you have 123 acres subdivided into 3 parcels. This location provides flat pastures that are lush and irrigated. And the big bonus is the coveted senior water rights. There is ultimate privacy, and yet you're only 7 minutes to Whole Foods. We feel this is an exceptional value. This is a one-of-a-kind, must-see property. Come experience Los Pinones Ranch before it's gone.